KONNWEI KW520 battery tester 12V10A and 24V5A4R150R. Battery tester and battery repair and battery recharger 3-in-1. Product description. Accurate battery tester. Running for years but no idea about battery status? KW520 12V battery tester provides you an overall analysis of battery health by checking its voltage charge. Internal resistance then tells you whether the battery needs to be recharged. Also, this battery analyzer runs cranking and charging system test and car alternator tester charging, which make you feel peace on the road. Fully automatic battery charger. Charge batteries as low as 2V, max output 12V 5A. KW520 battery charger not only helps you charge the batteries but also adapts the newest pulse repair technology. One-click repair and automatically detects battery sulfation and acid stratification to bring the batteries back to life and restore their performance. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.